Today we are going to learn the most important method to solve simultaneous linear equation is graphical method. With the help of graphical method to find the solution of given simultaneous equation. आज आपण दिलेल्या एक सामायिक समीकरणाची उकल आलेख पद्धतीने सोडवणार आहोत. First you understand the graph of linear equation in two variable. We have to learn some basic concept already learned in 9th standard, but it revised today. Graph of linear equation in two variable. First, on the graph paper, the XY coordinate system is very important. In XY coordinate system, there are two axes, X axis and Y axis. X axis is to locate a point in a plane. A horizontal number line is drawn in the plane. This number line is called the X axis. XY चे निर्देशक कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टीम ग्राफ काढण्यासाठी अतिशय महत्त्वाची असते. त्यासाठी आलेख कागदावर हॉरिझॉन्टल नंबर लाइन आणि व्हर्टिकल परपेंडिक्युलर लाइन ह्या दोन लाइन्स म्हणजे ग्राफवर काढण्यासाठी ऍक्सेस असतात. X axis, the horizontal number line is drawn in the plane. This number line is said to be X axis. And Y axis, the number line intersect to the X axis at a point marked as a O and perpendicular to X axis. This vertical line is said to be Y axis. In this plane, horizontal line X dash and vertical line Y dash. Both lines are perpendicular to each other, intersect at point O. Therefore, horizontal line X is the X axis and the vertical line Y is a Y axis. And the intersecting perpendicular point O is the origin. Therefore, the point of intersection of X axis and Y axis is called the origin and it is denoted by O. This is the XY coordinate system. Already we have to learn in 8th and 9th standard. Quadrants म्हणजे चरण. The X and Y axis divided the plane into 4 parts. Each part is called quadrant. X अक्ष आणि Y अक्षामुळे प्रतल ज्या 4 भागामध्ये विभागते त्या प्रत्येक भागाला क्वाड्रंट म्हणजे चरण असे म्हणतात. Horizontal line is a X axis and vertical line is a Y axis. Due to X axis and Y axis, the plane divided into 4 parts. This is the first quadrant having positive coordinate. This is the second quadrant having negative positive coordinate. This is the third coordinate contain the negative coordinate, and this is the fourth quadrant having positive and negative coordinate point. And the XY coordinate system is the OX is the positive X axis, OX dash is the negative X axis, OY is the positive Y axis, and OY dash is the negative Y axis. Plot the coordinate point. Plot the coordinate point. This is the graph paper. On this graph paper, the horizontal line x-axis and vertical line is a y-axis, and the O, that is 0, is the origin. How to plot the point on the graph paper? First, you understand and to plot the given point on the graph paper. On this graph paper, on both axes, x and y axis, scale is a 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Means from 0 to 1 is the 1 centimeter, it is 1 unit. 1 to 2 is the 1 unit. 0 to -1 is also 1 unit, 1 centimeter. -1 to -2 is also 1 centimeter. Therefore, scale on the graph paper 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes, x and y axis. Okay. First, plot the point. The coordinate of the points in the plane. Points. First point is a P. Of x coordinate is a 4 and y coordinate is a 5. This point P plot on this graph paper. Therefore, x coordinate of point P is a 4. First to draw on the x axis is the point 4, and on the y axis this point is a 5. From 0 to 4 on x axis and 0 to 5 on the y axis. Therefore, this is a 4 centimeter on the x axis and this is a 5 centimeter on the 0 to 5 on the y axis. Therefore, this point is the 4 centimeter and this point is the parallel to the y axis is a 5 coordinate point. Therefore, this point P is 4, 5. The point P lie on this graph at this point. In this way, plotting the given point or plot the coordinate point in a graph paper, in a plane or on the graph paper. Second point is also plot on the graph paper. Second point is a Q. X coordinate is a -6 and y coordinate is a 7. X coordinate is a -6. This point -6 on the x axis, and y coordinate is a 7 on the y axis. This point is a 7 on y axis. To draw the perpendicular line, then we get point Q is the coordinate point on graph paper at this point. Third point, point R of x coordinate -7 and y coordinate -2. On x axis this is a -7 and y coordinate is a 2, -2 on the y axis this is a. Then we get this point is the coordinate of point R plotting on the graph paper. Next, number 4 coordinate is a S. Coordinate point is a S. Its x coordinate is a 8 and y coordinate is a -5. On x axis, this point is a 8 and on y axis -5. Then we get the point S on the graph paper is this point. Next point is the T, 9, 0. X coordinate is a 9 and y coordinate is 0. Therefore, this point T, y coordinate 0, it is lie on the x axis. Point T चा x निर्देशक 9 आहे आणि y निर्देशक 0 आहे, म्हणजे point T हा x अक्षावर येतो. This point 9 is the x coordinate of point T. Therefore, the point T lie on x axis, T 9, 0. Similarly, next point is the A, 0, 8. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is a 8. Therefore, point A lies on y axis. At this point is the 8 on the y axis. Therefore, point A lie on y axis its coordinate is 0, 8. And next point is a B, -2, 0. X coordinate is a -2 and y coordinate is 0. Therefore, point B lie on the x-axis at this point, -2. Therefore, point B lie on the x-axis and its coordinate -2, 0. What is the coordinate of point origin? Coordinate of origin is always 0, 0. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is a 0. And last coordinate, point C. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is a -7. Therefore, point C lie on the y-axis at point -7. At this point, -7, point C lie on the y-axis. The graph of linear equation in two variable. दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरणाचा ग्राफ आलेख आपल्याला काढायचा आहे. First linear equation in two variable is a x plus y is equal to 2. How to draw the graph of such linear equation on the graph paper? First, given equation is x plus y is equal to 2. First, to find the coordinate of this equation. When we can write this equation, y is equal to 2 minus x. On RHS side is a 2, x goes on RHS side, then you get minus. Or also we can write this equation, x is equal to 2 minus y in any way. First, to determine the coordinate of x and y for this equation. प्रथम तुम्हाला दिलेल्या समीकरणासाठी x आणि y निर्देशक निश्चित करून घेणं आवश्यक आहे. x, y. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 1. Substitute in this equation y is equal to 2 minus x in this way. Given equation, first value x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, therefore y is equal to 1. Second, x is equal to 2, then substitute the value y is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to 0. Third, x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, therefore y coordinate is a minus 1. In this way, x is equal to 0, then you get y is equal to 2. Hence, first to determine or identify the x and y coordinate, first coordinate point 1, 1, second is a 2, 0, third is a 3 minus 1, and 4 is a 0, 2. First, to determine the 4 coordinate point for linear equation in two variable. First point to plot 1, 1. This is the x coordinate is a 1 and y coordinate is a 1. This point is a 1, 1. Second coordinate point is a 2, 0. X coordinate is a 2 and y coordinate 0. Therefore, this point lie on x-axis. Third coordinate is a 3 minus 1. X coordinate is a 3 and y coordinate is a minus 1. Therefore, 3 minus 1 is this coordinate point. And last coordinate point is a 0, 2. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 2. Therefore, this point lie on the y-axis. When given points are collinear points, to draw a straight line passing through all points, then we get this is a straight line passing through the plot 4 points. Therefore, this line is the graph of given linear equation x plus y is equal to 2. In this way, to draw the graph of linear equation in two variable on the graph paper. अशा पद्धतीने दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरणाचा ग्राफ आलेख कागदावर आपण काढतो. प्रथम दिलेल्या एक सामायिक रेषीय समीकरणासाठी 4 निर्देशक बिंदू निश्चित करून घ्या. ते बिंदू आलेख कागदावर स्थापन करा. ते बिंदू एकरेषीय असतात. म्हणून त्या एकरेषीय बिंदूतून जाणारी एक सरळ रेषा काढा. ती रेषा म्हणजे दिलेल्या रेषीय समीकरणाचा आलेख असतो. Graphical method. Step to follow for drawing a graph of solving given simultaneous equation by graphical method. आलेख पद्धतीने दिलेल्या एकसामायिक समीकरणांचा ग्राफ काढून त्या एकसामायिक समीकरणाची उकल शोधणे. First step, choose at least 4 convenient value x and find the corresponding value of y. Satisfying the given equation, write the value of x and y in tabular form. सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन ग्राफिकल मेथडने सोडवताना प्रथम x आणि y चे निर्देशक असलेले 4 निर्देशक बिंदू निश्चित करायचे आहेत. Draw x-axis and y-axis on graph paper and plot the points. 4 coordinate point निश्चित केल्यानंतर x आणि y अक्ष ग्राफ पेपर वरती काढा आणि ते बिंदू स्थापन करून घ्या. See that all points on a line. ते सर्व बिंदू एका रेषेवर असतील. ते बिंदू एक रेषीय असतील, कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स असतील. And the coordinate of the point of intersection of two lines is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation system contain two linear equation in two variable. Then we get a two line on the graph paper. Two line intersect to each other. Intersection point is the solution of given simultaneous equation. एक सामायिक समीकरणामध्ये दोन चलातील दोन रेषीय समीकरणे असतात. जेव्हा आपण एक सामायिक समीकरणाचा ग्राफ काढतो तेव्हा दोन रेषा मिळतील. त्या दोन रेषा एकमेकींना ज्या बिंदूमध्ये छेदतात त्या बिंदूचे निर्देशक म्हणजे दिलेल्या एक सामायिक समीकरणाची उकल असते. Solve the simultaneous equation by graphical method. आलेख पद्धतीने एक सामायिक समीकरण सोडवा. Complete the following table to get order pairs. X minus y is equal to 1. This is a given linear equation in two variable. X, y, this is a given tabular form of the coordinate x and y. Here first point 0. The value of x is equal to 0 to find the value of y and write the coordinate point. Next, to given the value of y to find the value of x and write its coordinate point. Third, x is equal to 3 to find the value of y and write the coordinate point. And last, the value of y is equal to minus 3 to find the value of x and write the coordinate point with the help of this linear equation in two variable. Therefore, first x is equal to 0. Hence, given equation x minus y is equal to 1. X is equal to 0, 0 minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, then we get minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Hence, we get the y is equal to minus 1 when x is equal to 0. And the coordinate is a 0, minus 1. Second coordinate point to find out y is equal to 0 to find the value of x. Given equation is x minus y is equal to 1. X minus 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1. The value of x is equal to 1 and the coordinate is a 1, 0. Third coordinate point we get given x is equal to 3 to find the value of y. Substitute the value of y, x is equal to 3 in this equation. 3 minus y is equal to 1. 3 goes down RHS side, then we get minus y is equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Minus sign on both side then we get y is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 2 and coordinate point is 3, 2. And last, number 4, x is equal to minus 3. To find the value of x minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of y is equal to minus 3 here. X minus of minus 3 is equal to 1, minus minus plus, x plus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 minus 3, then x is equal to minus 2. When y is equal to minus 3, then we get x is equal to minus 2 and coordinate point is a minus 2, minus 3. In this way, to determine the 4 coordinate point of given linear equation in 2 variable. Second linear equation in 2 variable, 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. There are 2 linear equation in 2 variable in a simultaneous equation system. Second equation is a 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. First, to determine the 4 coordinate convenient point. 3x minus 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. This is a given equation. In this tabular form, x is equal to 2. Find the value of y and its coordinate from this equation. Second coordinate point for y is equal to 8 to find the value of x. Third coordinate point for x is equal to minus 1 to find y. And for fourth coordinate point, y is equal to minus 7 to find the value of x and their corresponding coordinate point. First, the x is equal to 2 here. X is equal to 2. Substitute the value of x is equal to 2 in this linear equation. 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. 5 multiplied 2 minus 3y is equal to 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 3y is equal to 1. 10 goes down RHS side, then we get minus. Therefore, minus 3y is equal to 1 minus 10. 1 minus 10 is equal to minus 9. This 3 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore, y is equal to minus 9 upon minus 3. Minus minus plus 3 3s are 9. Therefore, y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 2, then we get y is equal to 3 and their coordinate point is 2, 3. For second coordinate point, y is equal to 8. Given equation 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. Substitute the value of y is equal to 8 in this equation. 5x minus 3 multiply 8 is equal to 1. Here 5x minus 24. For second coordinate y is equal to 8, substitute the value of y is equal to 8. 5x minus 3 into 8 is equal to 1. 5x minus 3 8s are 24. Minus 24 goes on next side, then we get plus. 5x is equal to 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. 5x is equal to 25. Therefore, x is equal to 25 upon 5. 5 5s are 25. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Hence, we get second coordinate point 5, 8. For third coordinate point, x is equal to minus 1. 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. Substitute the value 5 into minus 1 minus 3y is equal to 1. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 minus 3y is equal to 1. Minus 5 goes on RHS side, then you get plus. Minus 3y is equal to 1 plus 5. 3y is equal to 6. Minus 3y is equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 6 upon minus 3. 3 to the 6. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2. We get third coordinate is the minus 1, minus 2. And for fourth coordinate point, y is equal to minus 7. Then we get value of x. 5x minus 3 multiply minus 7 is equal to 1. 5x minus minus plus is a 21 is equal to 1. Therefore, 5x is equal to 21 goes down RHS side, then you get minus 1 minus 21. Here 5x is equal to minus 20. Therefore, x is equal to minus 20 upon 5. 5 4s are 20 is equal to minus 4. Then you get 4 coordinate point is the minus 4, minus 7. In this way, to determine the convenient 4 coordinate point of the given linear equation in 2 variable. first equation in a simultaneous equation, x minus y is equal to 1, then we get coordinate point 0 minus 1, 1 0, 3 2, minus 2, minus 3. And second, 5x minus 3y is equal to 1, then we get coordinate point 2 3, 5 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 7. To find the solution of this simultaneous equation by using graphical method. For first equation, x minus y is equal to 1, to plot the all coordinate point. First 0 minus 1. This coordinate point lie on the y-axis at this point. 0 minus 1. Second coordinate point 1 0. X coordinate is 1 and y coordinate 0. This point plot on the x-axis. This point is 1 0. Second point is a 3 2. X coordinate is a 3 and y coordinate is a 2. This is a 3 and this is a 2. Then we get this point is 3 2 coordinate. And fourth coordinate point minus 2 minus 3. Plot on this graph paper, then we get this point. On x-axis minus 2 and y-axis is a minus 3. Then we get this point is minus 2 minus 3. To draw a line passing through this all point. This line is the graph of equation x minus y is equal to 1. Similarly, we plot the coordinate point for equation 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. First 2 point, 2, 3 point. X coordinate is a 2, y coordinate is a 3. Then we get this point is 2, 3. Second point is a 5, 8. Then x coordinate is a 5. This 5 and y coordinate is a 8. Then we get this point is the 5, 8. And next point is the minus 1, minus 2. This point. Minus 1 x coordinate and y coordinate is a minus 2. Then we get this point is the minus 1, minus 2. And last coordinate point is minus 4, minus 7. X coordinate is a minus 4 and y coordinate is a minus 7. Then we get this point. X coordinate is a minus 4, y coordinate is a minus 7. Then we get this coordinate point. To draw a line passing through all points for equation 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. Then we get a straight line. This line is the graph of 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. When two lines intersect at this point. This point is the intersection point of two lines on the graph paper. Therefore, the coordinate of intersection point indicate minus x coordinate is minus 1 and y coordinate is a minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2. X is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. In this way, to solve or to find the solution of given simultaneous equation by using graphical method. Today's homework. Find the solution of given simultaneous equation x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. To find the solution of given simultaneous equation by using graphically method.